People should look at, or there's some that just are terrible?
It's less about the niche and more about the product. So I think you could be successful in any niche, but you can't be successful with every product. So how do you know you're selling the right product? You have to go after like, what is the pain point that your product solves in somebody's life?
Okay. Yeah.
So any good product that you can create a brand around is going to be, you have to be able to build off an emotional connection. So for example, of course I put it away. If you have a planner, there's a difference between like a notebook, just a basic notebook, versus a planner that specifically helps take you to a certain target. So I worked with a company called the Monk Manual, which is a 90-day quarterly planner that helps you bring more gratitude, more peaceful being into your life. And they do that through their system in the planner. So what the Monk Manual allows is for you to have more peaceful being and purposeful doing in your life. Okay. And their system does that. I'm going to pay $50 for that over just a basic notebook that has nothing in it, because what the Monk Manual gives me is so much more. It's like a guided system to helping me achieve what I want in my life. Okay. Or you have a, because really that's where premium pricing comes in. Like if you want to differentiate your product, it comes down to being able to communicate how your product makes someone's life better. What pain point does it solve? Because someone's going to pay a lot of money to solve that specific pain. Think hemorrhoid cream, think like foot fungus, think of what detriment that has on somebody's life. And if you can effectively communicate how not having your product is going to keep their problem festering in their life, like what does, you know more about, it's foot cream, right? That's what your product was?
Yeah. Toe wart remover. How's that? Okay.
So I watched a YouTube video. This may or may not be relevant, but I watched a YouTube video where she's like the foot doctor, and she sees some of the worst foot problems and fungus and smell. And seeing these people come in, they are so embarrassed. They have no confidence, and all of their worth comes down to this problem on their foot, right? So you're going to sell toe wart remover fungus or toe wart remover all day if you can communicate how your product is going to significantly impact their quality of life. And here's exactly how that does that. So if you want to know the secret sauce between having a commodity, like you're, just an elastic band versus an elastic band you could charge, this is probably a terrible, whatever, but an elastic band you could charge like $30 for, you have to be able to identify specifically the pain point and the transformation that someone gets by using your product. When you do that, you have the recipe to being able to charge a lot of money, a lot more than the competition for just a commoditized product.